Well, guys, I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news is I'm alive. Bad news is I am trapped in nature. Apparently, I went to a very early Halloween party and I was getting ready to get a ginger ale, but someone spiked it. And then I just kind of woke up in the middle of nature. Oh, yeah, in the middle of nature. And I don't know what to do. I'm just kind of laying here, but I'm going to follow what the pioneers used to do. Let's go find some food first. Ah, here we are. I found some great supply of food. It's a little humid in here. Now this, if y'all can see it, this is a branch. And on this branch, these are these little flower petals called deliciosos. And these deliciosos right here are supposed to be very, very good for you and have plenty of nutrients. So I'm gonna get all the delicioso fries I want. And ignore the stray dogs in the background. They've been trying to chase me off for a while. They all the food in my pockets and stuff from earlier from the Halloween party. Now they're barking at me for more. So that's interesting. Alright, so we got the delicioso flowers and we're gonna eat them. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now, guys, that's a little spicy, isn't it? That's a little spicy, don't you think? Oh, wow, that's a little spicy, yeah. Also, there's a little gnat flying in the sky, and I'm not going to try to eat that. So, interesting. Alright, let's get up. Are my cheeks a little swollen? They're a little red too. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, I'm not gonna find any food that, isn't dangerous for you. So, let's go out in the woods and see what we can find. What was that? Here's something. My leg. Well, gang, I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news is I'm alive. The bad news is I don't have a leg. So that's always interesting. Hopefully I'll find like a McDonald's or a Dollar General somewhere because they seem to be everywhere. And hopefully I'll find some shelter. But until now, I'm just gonna lay here and rethink my life. Yeah. What have I done with my life?